You did everything right. You try to eat healthy. You walk. You even stretch before bed. But somehow, your legs still feel heavy in the morning. Getting up from a chair requires more effort than before. What about those stairs? They seem to be getting steeper every week. It's annoying, isn't it? You are not lazy. You are not doing anything wrong. But the truth is, after age 60, our bodies need more than just more food. They need right kind of nurturing. Because some foods, even those we believe to be healthy, can silently erode our strength, day by day. And here's the part most people miss. It's not just aging that weakens your muscles. It could be something right in your pantry or your breakfast bowl. In today's video, we'll be counting down 7 surprising foods that can silently weaken your muscles after 60. And don't worry, we don't mean to scare you. We are here to help you feel stronger, more grounded and more confident. So grab a cup of tea, relax. Why are the top 3 foods on this list? They probably appear more often than you think. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to swap them out for, so your feet, back, and balance can thank you later. Are you ready to take the first step to taking back your power? Let's get started. Number 1, canned soup. Maybe you have a few cans of soup stocked in your pantry, just in case. This dish is warm, comforting and easy to make, especially on days when you feel like cooking is too much. And perhaps after a long walk or a cold afternoon, a bowl of chicken noodle soup will feel like a hug. But here's what most people over 60 don't realize. That seemingly harmless could be silently draining your energy. Many canned soups, especially those labeled low-fat or heart-healthy, are high in sodium. Too much sodium pulls water out of your muscles and joints, leading to stiffness, soreness, and even leg cramps at night. And if you're dealing with high blood pressure or poor circulation, the consequences can be even worse. It's not your fault. You just want something cozy and warm. But over time, these small choices add up, and they can be the reason you wake up feeling stressed and restless. So what can you do? Instead of using canned soup, try making a simple pot of broth at home using low-sodium ingredients. Even better, you can freeze portions for easy reheating. If you use canned soup, add a half cup of water or unsalted vegetables to dilute the sodium content. Your body doesn't need to give up comfort, just a gentler version. What about cozy meals? They will make you feel more comfortable, not weigh your feet down. Number 2, breakfast muffins. It all started innocently enough. You walk into the kitchen, open the pantry, and grab one of the carefully wrapped muffins you bought from the store. Maybe blueberries, or bran, because it sounds healthier. You heat it up a bit, pour yourself a cup of coffee, and sit by the window, thinking you've made a pretty good breakfast choice. But here's what that cupcake doesn't tell you. It's high in sugar, low in protein, and leaves your muscles starved. After age 60, your body processes sugar differently. Instead of giving you long-lasting energy, these carb-heavy muffins cause a spike, followed by a crash. Not only does this make you sleepy, it also reduces your body's ability to repair and build muscle tissue. And when this happens day after day, it will manifest as weak legs, slower recovery after walking, and even a shaky feeling when you stand up too quickly. You're not lazy, your muscles are just malnourished. So, what better way to start the day? Replace the muffin with a slice of whole wheat toast with natural peanut butter, or a hard-boiled egg and a few slices of avocado. These options are rich in protein and healthy fats, exactly what your muscles need in the morning to stay strong and stable. You can still enjoy a little sweetness, but not at the expense of your balance and strength. Because at this stage of life, every bite can either make you grow, or break you down. Choose the construction. #3 Instant Oatmeal Package. Sounds like the perfect start to a morning. Tear open a small packet, add hot water, stir well and breakfast is ready. No clutter, no noise. Some even say, heart healthy, on the label, so it must be good, right? But here is the quiet truth. Many flavored instant oatmeals are loaded with sugar and lack the fiber and protein your aging muscles need. A warm bowl of food may be comforting, but it can also leave you hungry again within an hour, and worse, you'll feel unsteady by mid-morning. Why? Because sugar spikes and drops don't just affect your energy. It disrupts balance, weakens strength, and increases inflammation, slowing muscle recovery. And when you're over 60, every small decline in strength matters more than ever. So what is the solution? Instead, use rolled oats or steel-cut oats. They only take a few extra minutes, but digest more slowly, giving you steady energy and balanced blood sugar. Add a spoonful of almond butter, a sprinkle of chia seeds or a handful of berries. Now you have a bowl that really support your muscles, not just your morning routine. You don't have to give up oats. You just have to make it work because for you, not against you. Because breakfast will keep you standing tall, not stumbling. Number 4, white toast. This is one of those foods we have had on our dinner tables for decades. A slice of white toast, perhaps with butter or jam, feels familiar, comforting. It blends perfectly with coffee and doesn't require much chewing, another reason many older adults drink it as soon as they wake up in the morning. But here's the worrying thing. That mushy toast hardly provides your body with anything it needs to stay healthy. White bread is made from refined flour, which strips it of fiber, protein, and nutrients that help support muscles and joints. And because it digests so quickly, it causes blood sugar to spike and then drop. That drop of water doesn't just make you hungry. It can make you feel shaky, lightheaded, and even dizzy when standing or walking. You may not be able to connect that slice of toast to the wobbly feeling in your legs, but over time the connection will become clearer. So, what is the smarter solution? Instead, try sprouted whole grain bread. This bread contains more fiber and protein than regular white bread. Better yet, top it with cottage cheese and sliced tomatoes, or nut butter and cinnamon for a meal that really powers you up. This little change. It's not about giving up the foods you love. The point is to find better versions that make you feel grounded, stable, and supported. Because every time you stand up without staggering, it's a victory your breakfast helped create. Number 5, flavored yogurt. Looks like a smart snack. A small cup of yogurt in strawberry or vanilla flavor, convenient, sweet, and often advertised as gut-friendly. Many seniors even keep some in the refrigerator for an easy, no-cook breakfast or dinner. But here's what most people over 60 don't realize. Flavored yogurts are often loaded with sugar and contain virtually no muscle-building protein. What you think is a healthy choice can actually spike your blood sugar, leading to a midday energy crash, tired legs, and even confusion. As you age, your muscles need real protein and steady nutrients, not sugary fillers masquerading as nutrition. If you've ever felt tired after a light meal, this could be the reason. So, what better way to enjoy yogurt and also help your muscles? Swap that fruity yogurt for plain Greek yogurt. It has double the protein and no added sugar. Want something a little sweet? Add some fresh berries, a little honey or cinnamon to balance blood sugar. Add a spoonful of chia or pumpkin seeds for extra fiber and healthy fats to support your legs, joints, and energy. It's still creamy. Still refreshing. But now, it works. Because your body, not against it. Because after 60, all junk food is just food. Or fuel that helps you move, stand, and live more confidently. Number 6, fruit juice. Sounds like a healthy habit, right? A glass of orange juice for breakfast or some apple juice in the afternoon. It tastes fresh, pours quickly, and seems like something healthy people would make. You might even think, hey, it's fruit, how can it be that bad? But here's the surprising thing most seniors have never heard. Juicing removes the most important part of the fruit, leaving behind mostly sugar. When you drink juice, especially on an empty stomach, it introduces fructose into your body, a form of sugar that causes inflammation, impairs insulin sensitivity, and can lead to muscle loss over time. Even 100% fruit juice can cause energy crashes, dizziness, or tired legs, especially if your muscles are already strained from aging. And what is the biggest problem? You're drinking calories, without the fiber that helps your body use calories efficiently. So what gentle change enhances power rather than steals it? Choose whole fruit instead of juice. An orange gives you fiber, vitamin C, and water without the sugar overload. Better yet, pair fruit with protein or healthy fat, like a handful of nuts, a hard-boiled egg or Greek yogurt. This simple combination helps fuel your muscles, maintain stable blood sugar levels, and keep you feeling energized and not drowsy. You don't have to give up sweetness. Just slow down, chew thoroughly, and let your body use it wisely. Because it keeps you upright, steady, and strong. Start with the way you purse your lips. Number 7, skip protein for breakfast. Sometimes, it's not about what you eat. The problem is what you miss. Many seniors start their day with toast, fruit, or even just a cup of coffee. Feels light. Pleasant. Doesn't upset the stomach. But something is silently missing. And this could be the biggest reason why your muscles are getting weaker month by month. You see, after age 60, your body becomes less efficient at repairing and rebuilding muscles. To combat that, you actually need more protein, especially in the morning when your body is most ready to absorb protein. Skipping protein at breakfast means your muscles will be working at full capacity all day long. And that manifests itself in slower walking, loss of balance, and longer recovery times from everyday tasks. So what is the solution? Make protein an essential part of your breakfast. It doesn't have to be heavy or complicated. Even an egg or two, a small bowl of Greek yogurt, or a handful of nuts can boost your strength gains. Pair it with a slice of wholemeal toast or fresh fruit, and you'll have a balanced meal that your body will thank you for all day long. This is a small but powerful change. Because the first 90 minutes after you wake up may be your most powerful weapon against age-related muscle loss. You have reached the end of the list. And now you have the tools to start building strength from the inside out, starting tomorrow morning. You still have time. Whether you're 60, 70, or beyond, your body is listening. Just one small change each day, a healthier choice in the morning, a meal that's kind to your feet, can make a big difference over time. You don't have to be perfect. You just need to start. Start by being kind to yourself, by nourishing your body not just to live, but to live more firmly, freely, and autonomously every day. If you found today's video helpful, please hit the like button to help more people get access to this information. Leave a comment sharing what changes you've tried and how they make you feel. I'm always listening. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next videos just for you. Your body is still waiting for you to take better care of it every day.